Okay friends, so how to fix your nail clippers when they come apart. So I got a couple, this one's kind of a different one. It's got a little bit of a, like an angle to it there. But basically for nail clippers, you got three parts. You're gonna have your main clipping part, the handle, and this little pin that goes in there. So you wanna find the bottom of your nail clippers, and it's usually the part that's flat like that. So this one's got a couple grooves here, so that's your top part, that's where your handle is going to go in. So you want to flip it over and put your little pin right in that hole. Okay, now you'll notice the pin, let's see, I'll turn it a little bit, it has that little come on, it doesn't want to turn for me. Turn. There we go. It has that little hook there, just like that. So that's what's going to hold your handle on there. So this can be a little tricky. It takes a little bit of pressure. You want to push that up like that. So, and get this little hook part over that little thing like that on the handle. Okay, just like that. That's going to secure your clippers in place. And then that little groove there, like I said, it'll still work if you do it the other side, but you won't have that little groove to like maybe hold your clipper a little bit more steady. So thanks for watching how to put your nail clippers back together. Have a great day, everybody.